Everyone says moving out changes your life, but no one tells you how. I left my hometown. Getting into college out of my city wasn't just about education, it was my escape. And looking back, I don't think the biggest thing I gained was independence. I gained confidence. So, is moving out actually worth it? Let's talk about some things nobody tells you. After my sister moved out, I always fancied about moving out, and even she motivated me. She used to tell me about Delhi, how I'll get the opportunity to build a completely different life here. I was nowhere near loving studies. Every time I lost motivation, I'd imagine myself in Delhi, traveling alone, going to new cafes, meeting new people, making new content, and it fascinated me so much that I had to crack CUET. So my first day of college, everyone expects you to cry, obviously. Leaving your hometown, leaving your parents behind, everyone is very sad and gloomy, but not me, girl, not me. I was so excited. I had gotten into such a good college. So here comes the things no one tells you about. Freedom always feels weird before exciting. Living alone, no one will remind you to eat, no one will remind you to sleep, no one will ask if you've packed your charger. It's just you. Nobody tells you confidence comes from the tiniest things. Carrying heavy luggages all by yourself. Figuring out metro routes. Budgeting, laundry. Traveling between cities alone. Nobody tells you, but you'll compare yourself. I remember in my first year looking at my peers and realizing maybe I could have worked harder for a better college. But then nobody tells you, but comparison disappears once real life begins. I realized many people around me had been looked after too much. I already knew how to cook, clean, manage, and survive on my own. Suddenly, I wasn't behind. I was ahead in a completely different way. Nobody tells you, but your life becomes content. New city, new cafes, new routines, new stories. Nobody tells you solo traveling becomes super addictive. This deserves its own little story. Boarding that train alone, coming back home alone, and that feeling of, wow, you actually did this. And here comes my biggest lesson. No one cares as much as you think they do. People judge for 5 minutes and they move on with their lives. Wear what you want, travel where you want, go to that cafe alone because everyone's too busy thinking about themselves. I found my people, I found my peace, I found my confidence. I'm still figuring out on my comfort food. So, is moving out worth it? A big damn yes. If you have the opportunity, take it. If you have to fight for it, fight for it. I didn't become independent the day I moved out. I became independent the day I stopped waiting for someone else to come and solve my problems. One thing that I've realized is that I didn't just move out to another city, but I moved closer to the person I was always meant to become. Hope that helps you in some way. Have a great college life out there. Thanks for watching.